Hey there, welcome back to the fifth and final part of this small Revit tutorial series. And today we will be looking into how to add in furniture so that in the end you have a nice compact home with this very simple furniture setup complete. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we want to start off on our floor plan on the level 1. And we're gonna start here on our bathroom area, and I'm gonna go into the component. I'm gonna get myself a toilet. So I have a toilet model here. I'm gonna place it on this wall like that, and now I'm gonna go to component again, and we want to get ourselves a sink. So to do this, I'm gonna get myself a sink model here, which I believe I have, which is a round sink. I'm gonna bring it into this area here, and you can also rotate this by going RO. I'm gonna place this at 45 degrees right at the corner. Okay, and that's how you set up your simple bathroom layout. Now let's go into the more living area here, and I believe here in the components I have a kitchenette model here. So let me see if I can find it. Here it is. I'm gonna place it right about here, and actually I want to flip this direction since I want my fridge to be on the entrance's side. And now by clicking move with MV, I can bring it to the center of this wall, or at least that should have been the case. Let's try that one more time. Okay, much better. And now we should get a table here for the center, something like a dining table. So once again, go into component. I'm gonna get a dining table here. I'm gonna place it at the center, right there. And now we need some chairs as well. So component once again, and I will get myself some chairs, chair brewer, and I'm gonna place one here. With my space bar, I'm going to rotate this, so one there, rotate again, there, and of course over here like that. Okay. If we move this furniture around, of course we can always get a few more items here, like maybe one or two sofas, a small table, or even some shelves. Okay, this here will be the entrance area, and of course we can always use this place here for some basic storage. Okay, so now we can move on to level 2. Okay, now for our top floor. So once again, I'm going to start off with the bathroom area here on the back. So we can go, of course, into component, and if you ever want to import your own stuff into Revit, you can go here into load family. And then you can select whichever directory you want, including for the models I will be sending with this video. Okay, so let's start off with the bathrooms. As I said, let's go for the basics first. So once again, we can add in our toilet over here. We can also add in the same kind of sink. Place it right over here beautifully, and RO, you can have it easily rotated like that. Okay, now here we can add in our shower area. So I'm going to go into a component here. I'm going to get myself a shower spot here like that. Actually going to bring it, gonna bring it over here. Okay, this is actually a 2D symbol, so we will most likely not be able to see this in the 3D view. And now we need to add in our beds. So I'm gonna go here back into a component, and I believe I have some bunk beds here, so they should be easy to spot. There they are. Okay, gonna place one here, one over here, and one over here. And now to get some more space, you can go into your edit type on these bunk beds, And in this case, I wanna switch the length to simply be 2 meters, and that should make it a bit smaller. And then by using the M view, you can simply bring it into this wall, and it will fit perfectly. I'm going to delete these two, and then go Control C, Control V to copy and paste. Oops. Okay, false alarm. And we'll do the same thing, so copy and paste. I'm going to bring it into this side in the same manner. Do not know what that is. Okay, and now if we go back into our 3D view and turn on our section box, we can then bring it down here, and you can see that we have added our furniture, and that's essentially how you set up a very, very small, or should I say compact home. And yeah. Okay guys, hope you've liked this small Revit beginner tutorial series. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I hope to see you back here next time. Cheers!